So in this video, we're replacing the sway bar bushings. We're actually going back to the OEM style and ditching these PRG ones. These, you can see there, they're quite loose. They don't hold the sway bar in very well. It moves around, and I think that's the cause of my clunking noise. We replaced the CV axles last weekend. We did a whole front suspension last year, and that helped a bit because we did have some bad lower ball joints, but we've been unable to rectify this issue. But most recently, when I was doing the brakes, I had the front end of the truck jacked up, and you could wiggle the sway bar pretty good. You can't really right now with the weight on the truck. This is what those look like. The trouble is they don't quite sit flush, and it leaves an open space at the back, and especially where that cut is, that just leaves room for it to wiggle. And if you're going for OEM style, find ones that have a diagonal cut, not ones that have a straight cut, because the straight cut will allow that sway bar to move a lot more. These are Beck Arnley. They were 15 bucks on Amazon. I don't know what these were. These were probably too much money. I shouldn't have bought them because they haven't worked out very well, but pretty easy to change. If you're just replacing the bushings in your OEM ones, there's two 17mm bolts. We'll get those off. If you do these one at a time, you don't have to do anything special, just pull them off. I did put a little bit of grease on the inside of this. Tighten it evenly. Alright, and the torque on this is pretty high, so we're going to crank it down some more. That's pretty tight. So the torque spec is actually 94 foot-pounds. Alright, we'll throw our skid plate back on, and we'll go for a drive tonight and see if our problem is gone. So thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe, and there will be more Titan content.